GWC-D-2 by 500 automatic autoclaved aerated concrete slab mesh developed and produced by Yizhou technology. It's a welding production line that automatically straightening coiled round steel material and welding it into reinforcing mesh. To mesh welding at the same time. The production line is high efficiency. The model is mainly composed of payoff mechanism, longitudinal reinforcement detection, straightening mechanism, longitudinal reinforcement traction storage mechanism, stepping mechanism, welding host, crossbar reinforcement straightening and cutting mechanism, pulling mesh rack, unloading rack, and other 10 components. The maximum welding speed is 100 rows per minute, 50 mm spacing. The maximum welding spot width of the steel mesh is 450 mm. The crossbar is equipped with a magnetic material swinging mechanism, fast blanking speed, suitable for 4 to 6 mm round steel and rebar welding. The feeding method is a longitudinal bar, and the crossbar is the coiled material for feeding. The machine is widely used in ALC, Autoclaved Lightweight Concrete panel material production, and steel structure prefabricated residential system. The whole machine adopts HMI plus PLC programming controller mode control. It's composed of electrical control system, water cooling system, gas system. A full production line only needs 1 to 2 people to operate the machine in order to achieve high production efficiency, decrease labor cost, save cost for the ALC panel industry. It has